See things from a different perspective. In Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where sustainably orientated brands such as Plastica Skaza are producing innovative plastic solutions from bio-based and recycled materials. As one of the most rapidly developing companies in Central Europe, Plastica Skaza has been introducing new, planet-friendly materials and manufacturing products from plastic compounds for more than 40 years. Today, its top developers remain steadfast in their mission to change people's habits with innovative products that help preserve our planet. Having its own research and development center has given Plastica Skaza the capability to consistently challenge its methods and set the highest standards in design and plastic manufacturing.
Meeting the stringent requirements for electronic, furniture, medical and other custom-made industrial products has made us a reliable partner for clients for all over the world. Quality, design, support and production are at the highest level when it comes to our work. By following the principles of sustainable development, we propose ideas for products that are in line with circular economy models. Not only do we focus on responsible solutions that are friendly to people, communities and nature, but we also constantly developing new sustainable materials to reduce waste.
Plastica Skaza's efforts have been recognized by many international awards, such as the 2019 German Industry Prize for being a technologically advanced company promoting sustainable business strategies. With green products, such as the Bokashi Organko 2, a composter designed for reducing household organic waste, Plastica Skaza is encouraging sustainable change with environmentally friendlier composting. By being green, creative and smart, Plastica Skaza is an example of the innovative Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Adopt new habits in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.